Android 12 beta is ready to download and install. At Google I/O, Google gave us our first in-depth look at Android 12, and it looks incredible. Not only did we get a sneak peek at the latest interface and features, but Google also made the first public beta of Android 12 available for anyone with a compatible smartphone to download and test. The Android 12 beta will include features such as enhanced privacy controls and an adaptive interface that adjusts the color of your phone's looks to fit your wallpaper for those bold enough to try this early version. Here's what you need to know about having Android 12 on your phone right now if you're an early adopter eager to help Google test the new Android operating system. For Pixel phones, as well as select models from OnePlus, ZTE, TCL, Oppo, RealMe, Sharp, Tecno, Vivi, Xiaomi, and Asus, Google is launching the first Android 12 public beta. Google's developer website has created a one-stop shop with links to the instructions for each hardware partner participating in the beta program. If you find the Android 12 buggy or battery life insufficient, you can exit the beta. However, you'll need to reset your phone to return to Android 11. Using an old backup is safe. It's just possible that you'll lose some data when switching to Android 11. Android 12 beta is ready to download and install.